In today's fast-paced food industry, staffing shortages can disrupt operations. But with Food Staff Salinas, you can ensure smooth operations and productivity. One of the biggest challenges faced by food manufacturing and processing facilities is staffing shortages. Empty workstations can lead to decreased productivity and increased operational costs. Our exclusive focus lies solely on the food manufacturing and processing industry. That's exactly why we can fulfill your staffing needs precisely when you need them the most. Food Staff Salinas offers immediate staffing support. Our team of professionals is ready to step in and fill any staffing gaps, ensuring smooth operations and uninterrupted productivity. By joining forces with Food Staff Salinas, you can not only enhance the efficiency of your food manufacturing and processing facilities but also enjoy the advantages of our low market markup of just 39%. Ready to ensure smooth operations and productivity in your food manufacturing and processing facilities? Visit our website to learn more about our staffing solutions.